Penny Hardaways, never the penny loafers. Had good times like Penny and her mother Bologna. The only clown I knew that was a killer was Pennywise. These dudes ain't no killers, they some snitches who drop dimes. My 9 was nickel plated since alphabetical slaughter, so I shoot like LeBron James in the fourth quarter. Shout out to Tony Yayo, Ayo 50 Cent, peace. Let's get to the dead presidents, I'ma make you think. George Washington had a grade school education. Abraham Lincoln, Emancipation, the Proclamation. He didn't free the slaves, they freed themselves. Slavery still exists, I wish we rebel. Alexander Hamilton, he was never president, but they still put him on the bill. Neither was Benjamin. They say Grant did the most for blacks. Not a mystery that his presidency ranked the lowest in U.S. history. Andrew Jackson was the owner of slaves. Forced Native Americans out their homes into U.S. history. Andrew Jackson was the owner of slaves. Forced Native Americans out their homes into graves. His face was supposed to be replaced by Harriet Tubman, but Donald Trump hated on that. So fuck him.